Morning, everyone. Welcome to Reflections number 27. This one is a directive to help heal all spinal issues. Now, I don't have back problems, spinal issues per se, but this one was wildly popular when we did it in the original body geometries. But today we are using sacred geometry, violet flame decree, and of course, an amazing body geometry to just straighten out, help heal, help the cells in your body communicate more effectively through light. During the end of this process, what you're most likely going to feel is a zinging up and down your spine, and that is energy moving freely once we break through the barriers, and that promotes the healing process. And it doesn't matter what's wrong with your spine. Remember, we're all energy, and that energy is all interconnected. And the mind can exist everywhere and nowhere simultaneously. And through that thought process, anything becomes possible. I mean, anything. So, with that said, let's go ahead and straighten up our back. And I just want you to take your fingers and if you're having back pain now or spinal issues, kind of crunch your fingers in the way that it feels. And then from here, I want you to just breathe 3 times through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. When you're breathing in beautiful energy. When you're exhaling the junk. This is just putting the body on notice that, kind of like Motel 6, we leave the lights on for you. Well, they leave the lights on for you to keep certain bugs away. We're putting the spine on notice to help get the motion of that light moving up and down. Okay, have a look at the body geometry. I'm sorry, have a look at the sacred geometry, and I'm going to go ahead and read the violet flame decree. This is the violet flame decree for healing the spine. In the name of the divine I am, I call forth the infinite power of the violet flame to blaze through my spine and restore its perfect divine blueprint. Violet flame, rise now from the base of my spine, igniting every vertebrae, every nerve, every ligament with the purest frequency of transmutation and renewal. Dissolve all blockages, all distortions, all pain, and all misalignment. Leave only wholeness, balance, and divine perfection. By the authority of my higher self, I command all trauma of past imprints of injury, all stored tension and limitation to dissolve in the sacred flame, never to return. My spine is strong, my nerves are free, my posture is aligned with divine symmetry. Every cell, every issue, every function is restored to its highest potential. I am the living temple of divine harmony. The currents of life force flow through me unimpeded, vibrating, and full of light. My body is whole, my spirit is sovereign, my spine is a pillar of divine strength. Violet flame, blaze through me now and forever. So it is. Okay. My spine's buzzing. How's yours feeling? Okay. Body geometry time. Elbows down, palms facing out. Bring your hands together. Bring it down so it aligns with your nose and create that V. As soon as you create the V, that spiraling vortex of energy is instantly spun up. Breathe through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. From here, I just want you to create anything, but keep your fingertips connected, but just create something twisted and contorted. This was your spine prior to doing this exercise. Now, as we breathe through our mouth, exhaling through our nose, on the last in breath and through the first few, I just want you to bring your hands back into alignment so they look like this. So we're going to go from here. We're going to breathe it in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, and then we're going to come to this. Okay, here we go. Any shape you want. And then just rotate it forward. Decouple your hands. Feel that. It's pretty cool, huh? This is a fun one. I don't know why, but I'm having a lot of fun with this one. Leave a comment. I love comments. I thrive on your feedback. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We have many more of these to push through over the coming months, and we're accelerating the pace at which we get them done. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.